A few weeks ago, my friend actually called me to ask me how to improve his audio quality from his mixer board to his iPhone. That actually gave me an idea. There's this device that's been floating around for quite some time now. Another friend of mine, his name is Irwin, he actually uses this device to stream from his home, and I thought, actually the audio quality is not bad, especially if you are streaming from a phone. After I told this theory to my friend, the next day he told me that it actually works. That's actually you, Gion. I'm gonna share with you guys on how I did it. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Cheng and I'm a freelance guitarist based in Singapore. I also do some tutorial videos now and then from time to time, and I do some cover videos as well with my friends covering some of the songs that I actually like. Consider subscribing if you like this kind of content and actually hit the bell to be notified when I post new videos. Okay, let's get to it. A lot of musicians I know right here are always constantly live streaming, and these are really great musicians in my opinion. But something about the audio quality is always lacking. What if we can actually convert the mixer board sound into your phone for live streaming? Wouldn't that be better? I know as an audience, I think I would like that. When you convert the audio signal from the mixer board to the phone, your audience won't actually hear a lot of your ambient sounds like people screaming, shouting, glass breaking and etc. You know what I mean when you hear a live stream. So instead of having your live stream sounds like this, this little device that I'm gonna show you will actually make your live stream sound like this.
Tonight you're mine. Complete.
So this device is actually called the iRig 2 by IK Multimedia. Let's do a bit of unboxing. Alright, the box is quite small and straightforward. Okay, now we open up the box. There's a handle to pull this out. You're gonna have your manuals, warranty, and other IK Multimedia products inside. Now we open this up, and this actually looks good. This device is so small that you can actually carry it around. There's also a little velcro that they provide to tie your iRig to a mic stand, probably. Okay, let's put this away. This iRig has your normal headphone jack, which can be plugged into your phone. Or please also note that iPhone users, you need this converter. Here at the bottom, you have your 1/4" input where you normally would plug your guitar in. You also have your headphone jack for you to plug your headphones in. Now here on the side, you have your gain for your input volume and your through. Okay, I don't usually use this, so let's just keep this as through. Okay, now that's done, let's get to the things that you actually need. Number one, you need to make sure the venue you are at has a mixer board. Something like this. Number two, you need a 1/4" TS cable, or actually the instrument cable, for you to route from the mixer board to your iRig. I recommend at least 5 to 10 meters long because sometimes your mixer board is too far away and then you don't have enough length. Length matters. Number three, you need a phone clamp, something like this, to clamp your phone to all your mic stands or wherever your creativity takes you. You want to mount it anywhere. This is for your live stream purposes. Okay, that's pretty much basically all the things that you actually need. Let's get to how to improve your live stream right away. Step 1, set your levels like how you would normally do at your live gigs and mix them through your headphones first. Make sure it sounds good. Usually I mix the vocals a bit higher than the rest of the instruments, just to make it clear. Step 2, mount your phone clamp to wherever you want, on the mic stand or anywhere that you actually want. Step 3, connect your iRig to your phone and mount it wherever is good. This is where your velcro comes in and then you can just tie it up to it wherever you want. Step 4, connect the 1/4" instrument cable from the phone out and plug it into the guitar sign of the iRig 2. Okay, now you think that that's alright, but this wasn't the case for me. The tricky part about this iRig is that you won't know the correct gain settings on the iRig and your phone's output. Sometimes it's too low, sometimes it's too loud. If it's too loud, it's distorting. It took me about 3 days to actually figure out what's the best way to go about this. In my approach, I actually recorded the video first from my iPhone before the gig, making sure that the audio level, everything is okay, the gain settings is balanced. How I compare is, I compare a certain volume to a song on Spotify that I actually know. But for some weird reason, it doesn't really record onto an Android, meaning that you cannot use the camera and just record a video straight away from an Android. I'm not sure about the settings to use. If any Android users figure this out, please let me know down below. I'm also an iPhone user. I am a bit OCD as well. That means I like to edit my videos before I put them out on the internet. Meaning I like to color grade, I like to do things like put text on it. The problem is that for iPhone, the new iOS actually record the videos in different codecs, in a very new codec that Premiere Pro doesn't support. I only realized that after I shot so many iPhone videos and then I put it to Premiere and then it just went haywire. The way to do it, to salvage it, is actually to convert your iPhone videos into MPEG 2 format. This means that you're gonna lose quality in it. This can actually be prevented by changing the settings on your iPhone. On your iPhone, the newer iOS, go to your settings, camera, format, and then click most compatible, because the high efficiency records the video at a lower format called the HEIF, which Premiere doesn't support. That video was actually very long to record. Wow. Does this work for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, and please help me smash that like button if you will. And have fun at your gigs, and I'll see you for the next video. Shut up.